Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to integrate Google Drive in ClickUp. So if you want to do this, it's quite simple guys to do this, but you need to know where to go, because if you click right here on more, we go to apps. Then right here you have seriously a lot of apps that we can integrate, but we are interested right now for Google Drive. So we select right here Google Drive, and then you will find here a lot of options that we can add. But if you want to edit, we do right here connect. And then you will find right here the email addresses that you can use right here for your account. So we select right here on an email address that we want to link. Then we do continue. Then we do right here select all, and then we do continue as the last step. So then after that, you can link it to your ClickUp. And then right now, if you can see, he is connected, and you need to accept it right now in your Google Mail, because I have the 2-step verification. But then after that, you linked your Google Drive to ClickUp. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.